October 15th, 2020 on your own. Number 1, evaluate using the distributive property. Easy peasy, we know how to do this. All right, first thing we're going to do, we're going to circle that number in front of the parentheses. And now we are going to distribute it to each number inside of the parentheses. So we have 2 times 10. Then we'll have 2 times 2. And then we'll have 2 times 3. All right, let's type it out. Or you can show your work, that's fine. So we have 2 times 10. Now in the middle here, we have a plus, and then parentheses 2 times 2. Because we have 2, the second one is in that 2. Another plus 2 times 3. Oop, not 23, 2 times 3, there we go. All right. Oh my goodness, I'm going to kind of delete these and move these just so that we have a little more extra space. Okay, so now, what is 2 times 10? I know 2 times 10 is 20. Plus, what about 2 times 2? That's 4. Plus 2 times 3 is 6. All right, what's 20 plus 4? 24 plus 6. We need to bring that down. We didn't use it yet. 24 plus 6 is 30. 30 is indeed our final answer. Woohoo! All right, let's try this one. Evaluate using the distributive property. So when we have that distributive property, we need to circle the number in front of those parentheses. And we are going to distribute it to each of the numbers inside the parentheses. So we're going to have that first number, which is 5 times 6 plus 5 times 4. Now we need to kind of write it out here so we can see. All right, so we have 5 times 6 is the first part. So we have 5 times 6 plus, then we have 5 times 4. All right, 5 times 6, or 6 times 5 is going to be 30, plus 5 times 4 is going to be 20. 30 plus 20, 50. Bada bing, bada boom. Amazing. We did it. We're done with our on your own. Great job.